Hello guys, let's learn a useful English phrase. Time will tell. वेळच सांगेल. We use this phrase when we are not sure about the result now, but we believe the future will show the truth. Examples are here. तो खरंच यशस्वी होईल की नाही? वेळच सांगेल. Will he really become successful or not? Time will tell. आपला हा नवीन व्यवसाय चालेल का नाही? वेळच सांगेल. Will our new business run successfully or not? Time will tell. ती आपले वचन पाळेल का नाही? वेळच सांगेल. Will she keep her promise or not? Time will tell. हा निर्णय बरोबर आहे की चूक? वेळच सांगेल. Is this decision right or wrong? Time will tell. Follow for more English.